Sir, we're running low on ammunition, and every major retailer is out of your favorite brand of BB.
Then all hope is lost.
Except for one retailer.
My God. What is it, my boy?
Red Wolf Airsoft, sir.
Quick. Send an order in right away.
Consider it done, sir. Let's pray it gets here before the next attack by Charlie.
Are you kidding? Those yellow belly, Evike ordering, pieces of stool are too chicken shit to attack us now.
You're right, sir. Ha ha ha. They wouldn't dare.